business that has a growing workforce or has an increasing need to manage their workforce more efficiently should definitely take a look at outsourcing their functionality to a workforce services provider.
It's going to save you time, it's going to save you money, it's going to provide efficiencies for you in the way you operate your business.
It's just the efficiency of production. It's just being able to manage your workforce management in such a close-knit window and be able to handle it in such a quick amount of time. It's extremely attractive to a lot of people.
There's a lot of attention being paid to how do we get more effective, how do we improve our bottom line, and the tools that we have allow us to do that.
And when they automate and outsource, they can focus their people on the key missions that only they can accomplish and let the software and the service handle the details of workforce compliance.
The most important thing for a small and medium-sized business from a technology standpoint is that you provide a solution that actually gives them a return on their investment.
A system that will help them manage their workforce from, we always tell them from hire to fire, trying to get them to consolidate all their information into one system, have one place for reporting, have one portal where everybody can come and get the employee information they need.
I think the thing that's most important to a small and mid-sized business, probably more to a mid-sized business than a small business, is just the way everything integrates and how easy it is to get your tasks done.
Using technology should allow them to free up time so they can focus on critical tasks that require great people to think about them, and let the software focus on the mundane tasks of legal compliance and the processes that software can do so well.
A service provider, if they're doing their job, should make their client more profitable, more productive, more efficient, and that client should be using their people for higher value activities.
A small or mid-sized business should look for a workforce management solution provider that is going to stay on the cutting edge of technology.
Well, the top things they should look for are customer service, ease of use, reliability of the product. Many of the customers are concerned, is my data safe?
Can it do everything that's required to manage their workforce within a single database and a single employee record? Because a lot of people can have a single sign-on, but that doesn't mean that maintenance is going to be easier or the different products are going to talk to each other that quickly behind the scene. And the second is, how is it going to be supported? Can you get people to answer the phone? Do you know who you're talking to? What's the time frame that it takes to get a problem fixed?
As service providers, there's going to be days when something's going to go wrong, but it's how you react to that. How are we going to respond to them? How are they going to know that their employees are going to be paid? We have to prove to them as a service provider that their employees are just as important to us as they are as a client and our employees are to us.
Having a good customer service platform and people to train and support, I think, is one of the most important things that you're looking for as an end user when you're getting a platform like this, or when maybe you're starting it up, something like this. You need that kind of training. You need that comfort that the people you're talking with, are experts at what they're doing.
The impact that a payroll service provider should have on their client is ultimately, in the grand scheme of things, an efficiency creation and a cost reduction.
You become that one source for everything related to payroll, HR, and they feel confident enough knowing that they don't have to worry about it themselves and that they've hired the right partner to be able to facilitate all of that, and they can feel comfortable knowing that, hey, this is one part of my business that I no longer have to worry about.
So we're trying to help to intelligently automate processes that can be automated and to free up clients to deploy their human capital in a more productive way, but ultimately our clients should have a happier workforce and a more productive and more profitable bottom line.
It wasn't too long ago that this kind of functionality wasn't available in the market for the small and medium-sized business. But now we've got enterprise-class capabilities that are available to small and medium-sized businesses that allow them to address the full spectrum of their workforce management needs.